A very good evening to you, ma'am. I am Rakhi Singh, and this video is a presentation for genetics on the assigned topic loss of function mutation and a comparison between hypomorphic and amorphic mutation. But before we proceed with the topic itself, it is important to know what is a gene. A gene is the basic physical structure of inheritance which is passed on from the parents to their offsprings and is responsible for a specific trait. But what if there occurs a sudden change or mutation in these functional units called genes? Mutation, which results from DNA copying errors made during cell division or any kind of exposure to ionizing radiations or chemicals called mutagens. When these mutations results in reduced or abolished protein function, it is termed as loss of function mutation. Loss of function mutation occurs due to two possible mechanisms. Firstly, because of physical removal events such as recombination or mobilization of transposable or viral elements. And secondly, due to deleterious mutations at gene coding regions. Proceeding with my prime focus of assigned topic, I will now discuss hypomorphic and amorphic mutation. A mutation that reduces but doesn't eliminate a gene's functionality is called hypomorphic mutation, whereas a more severe condition known as amorphic mutation eliminates the complete gene's functionality. A very classic experiment defining hypomorphic alleles date back to 1930s. Hermann Muller, an American geneticist, won the Nobel Prize for discovering that radioactivity causes mutations, and he studied these mutations as the eye color of fruit flies. These flies normally have red eyes, but the mutant variants can have white or apricot colored eyes. The alleles responsible for different fruit fly eye color is called white allele with the abbreviation W. Earlier, it was not very clear as to how this W gene produces apricot eyes. Scientists gave two possible explanations for this, which I would like to discuss. First is that it takes two normal alleles to produce red eye color, and the mutation robs the fruit fly of the required amount of protein to have this red eyes. The alternative explanation which was given is that the apricot eyes comes about because the mutant W allele interferes with the normal protein production by the other gene in the allele pair. Finally, Muller, he was able to determine that apricot eyes results from lower amount of red color proteins, and he called this as hypomorphic mutation because it reduced but never eliminated the gene activity. Now, when it comes to white eye mutant, Muller said that it is due to the inheritance of two mutant alleles from both parents, due to which it has no way of producing the proteins for red eyes, and he called it as amorphic mutation, where gene's expression is completely missing. And now I would like to share one of the Muller's work on crossing over between wild type and mutant type of fruit flies. This is where he worked on the fruit flies. Thank you.